Just going over some healthy lunch options that are convenient and inexpensive. This happens to be one of my favorites. It's the Evil Wahil chicken and cauliflower. Runs about 390 calories. Net carbs are about 11 grams, which is not bad for something that tastes this fantastic. I don't like that it's in a plastic dish, but you certainly have to take some concessions somewhere. These generally run about $3.50 or $4 if on sale. Target, Walmart, Sprout, any number of places you can get these at. Also, I've mentioned before, this is my Starbucks cup, but it's a double shot of espresso with some organic cacao, and by the way, the coffee is organic. Double shot of espresso topped off with ice and dark chocolate almond milk. Probably runs about 70 to 80 calories, but packed with phytonutrient. We've got in the office here, a Krups espresso machine. I want to say we've had that for 15 years now, so certainly made up for the $100 costs in less Starbucks runs and a higher quality product here. So I'm gonna go eat my lunch now.